In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download your Binance transaction history as a CSV or PDF file. This is extremely useful if you want to track your trades, review past performance, prepare tax reports, or simply keep personal records of your spot or futures activity. Binance lets you export both spot transactions and futures perpetual transactions, and I'll show you exactly where to find both. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, decide which type of transaction history you want to download. If you want your spot trading history, tap on Trade. If you want your perpetual or futures trading history, tap on Futures instead. After entering either the spot or futures trading screen, look toward the top right corner. You'll see an icon that looks like a clock. This icon represents your trade history. Tap on the clock icon to open your transaction history for that section. Now that you're inside the history page, look again at the top right corner and tap on Download. Binance will now ask you to choose a time frame. You can select a custom date range depending on how far back you want your transaction history to go. After selecting the time frame, choose your export format. Binance allows you to export your history as PDF, which is useful for viewing or sharing CSV or Excel, which is ideal for spreadsheets, analysis, or tax software. Once you've chosen the format, tap Export. Binance will process your request and generate the file. Depending on the size of the time frame you selected, the file may be available immediately or after a short processing period. Once ready, you can download it directly to your device. You can repeat the same process anytime for different time ranges, or separately download spot and futures histories if needed, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Binance transaction history as a CSV, Excel, or PDF file. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.